Make sure the machine is turned on. Open the top cover. Inside the machine there are 4 toner cartridges: yellow, magenta, cyan, and black. Remove the toner cartridge and the drum unit assembly for the color you need to change. To avoid damaging the drum, place the toner and the drum unit assembly on a flat surface. Push down the green lock lever and remove the toner cartridge from the drum unit. This machine has a separate drum and toner cartridge. You have to change only the toner cartridge. Take the new toner cartridge, remove the protective materials, insert the new toner cartridge firmly into the drum unit until it locks into place. It's a good idea to clean the corner wire by gently sliding the green tab from left to right and from right to left several times. Return the green tab to the on position. Insert the toner cartridge and drum unit assembly into the machine. Close the top cover. Do not turn the machine off or open the top cover until the machine's display returns to ready mode. The work is done.